hopefully we got a laying queen. Hopefully we've got some brood, some cap brood. We're about to find out. The lid. Oh, they've been busy. They drink all the sugar water. I'm gonna put that down there. And wow, look, they've got comb. They got some bird comb up here. So we're gonna a little bit of smoke. I'm gonna chase them back down. We're gonna scrape. Got some comb they made up on top here. We're gonna put this off to the side. When you pull your frames out, you want to start with the end frame. And actually what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hang this frame on the outside here. We're going to shift these over very carefully. Wow, it looks great inside there. I'm going to pop these loose carefully here. I've got a cameraman today, a camera woman. It's kind of nice. I don't got to try and do this all by myself. We're going to pull a middle frame. And remember, when you pull these frames out, you want to put them back in the order you took them out. So there's nothing on this frame, so we're going to put this right here. We're going to take, oh, look at that. Boy, they're busy. Lots of cap cells. Lots of cap brood. Can you see that on here?
Mm-hmm. I already zoom it.
They've been busy. See all that? I put all that extra wax on these frames to help them, kind of help them along here. There's cap brood on this side. There's actually gel. There's actually, you can kind of see the gel on the inside of some of these combs. Let's see if the queen is on here anywhere. I don't see her, but they're busy. Slide this one back in really. Actually, I'm going to put this one. I'll just put it back in.
Wow.
Lots of cap cells. Looks like there's some honey up on top here. This frame, not so much. Oh, there's the queen right there, actually.
Let me see.
See the queen? She's right there.
I can see. Put it down.
There?
Oh, yeah.
See the queen?
Mm-hmm.
There she is. She's busy. Just remember, when you take out your frames, you got to put them back in the same order. They really built out a lot of these frames. There's not a whole lot of brood on this one. But they're busy. Nothing really on that side of the frame. So pretty much just a little bit of activity on the outside frame, but not much. They've capped some of these. So pretty much 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth, 4, 5, 6, and 7 frames in is where most of the activity is. But once these babies hatch, 21 days after the eggs are, after they're after the eggs are put in, pull this frame. This frame is really heavy.
Mm.
Looks like there's some honey up on top. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like there's some honey up on top they made. There's some cap brood. They're busy.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like I said, it takes 21 days for the babies to hatch. So after that, we should have a whole lot more. These frames should be a lot more filled out. Well, that's not the right way to say a lot more, but I don't rehearse any of this. I wing all this. I shoot from the hip, so none of this is scripted. So if I say the wrong thing, you're hearing it. So from the right side of the box, 1, frame 2, frame 3 has got the most brood. So we're going to shut this. That was good. I'm going to have to come back out here with some sugar water and fill that up. Actually, while we're on here, I might just open that and check the syrup in that hive too. But like I said, when you put these frames back, you got to put them back in the same order. Where's that frame at? Here it is. Close that up. All right. Put the feeder back on. I don't know if the heat dried it up or not. We're going to open this other hive really quick since we got the camera roll. We're going to check the sugar syrup and see what it looks like. I can take these gloves off. Good. There's still sugar syrup in here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. There's still about
No.
a quarter. It's about a quarter full on each side. Actually, since I got the roof off, let's just pop it really quick. We're not going to do anything, but
Why? Ooh.
lots of activity. And some pollen patty left. We're going to shut that back up. And the pollen patty is actually gone on that one. I just remembered that. The other day I made a video. I put it on there. It's really shaky, but I wanted to show everybody the bees bringing all the pollen in. This one, the pollen patty is all gone. But they were bringing lots of pollen in the other day, so we'll put that back on.
I think that.
Okay, so for now, I think that's it. That looks really good. Hopefully in 21, probably about 24 days. Because I'm not sure what day the queen got released. I checked her after day 3, and she was gone. So she was already out, so I'm not sure exactly what day she got out, but you want to count 21 days, so it'll probably be a total of about 24, I'm guessing. We'll check it, and we'll see if we got babies. That hive, a lot of those frames should all fill back out. Because once all these frames fill out, I'm going to put another box up on top, so there's more room for them to expand. So, for now, YouTube, that's great. That's it. It looks good in there. They're busy. There's some brood. Like I said, this has only been 12 days, so we'll check it again. I might check it again before the 24 days. So for now, hope you liked it. If you like it, subscribe. I've been trying to make a video once or twice a week. There's a little bell next to the subscribe button. If you click on that bell, you'll get a notification every time I make a video. Give me a thumbs up. If there's something you like, if there's something you don't like, let me know. Just send me a message. Something I did wrong, something you don't agree with, just let me know. That's fine. So until later, YouTube, I will talk to you soon. Bye.